This is the Offy that generates or creates your Google Doc offer in 15 minutes. So let's start. These have two modes. It writes your offer ready to sell, and it will act as your coach, right? So anyway, on weekly calls, if you are asking me questions, you can ask the same questions over here regarding the offer, the Google Doc offer, the offer genesis, how to validate it, how to create, what are the components, how to create an offer map. If you are stuck between creating an offer, you can ask the Offy coach. Okay. Number one thing is you need to first understand how to create Google Doc offers. The offer genesis workshop you need to see first, or the supporting doc you read, so you understand how to create the offer map, what are the components, what are the phases, what are the checkpoints, how the Google Doc offer flow is, what are the things you can input there to get a clear and crystal clear Google Doc offers. So first of all, go through the offer genesis workshop, the validation workshop, and the supporting docs. If you want to read, you can read the supporting docs. It just takes 10 to 15 minutes to read. Either way, you can watch the workshops, which are pretty much long, like 30 to 40 minutes, but it will be super clear on how the things are structured inside the Google Doc offer, or how it is created, and what are the things that you need to understand, and what are the things that we need to input over here. Okay, so let's start. Ready to write an offer in Client Creator Wiki. So I have already created some pointers over here that I will put instead of just, absolutely, I'm Offy, the offer printer. I will create a clean, clear Google Doc style offer. I'll guide you one question at a time, ready to begin. So it asks you a question, you just have to answer it. What niche are you building this offer for? And it gives you examples as well. Niche, what niche are you serving or building your offer for? Is the people who you help. So I'll write that I help content creators who want to monetize their audience. Okay, my offer is for content creators who want to monetize their audience. Got it. What is the main transformation you help them achieve? Launch and sell a $500 to $2K digital product without needing a massive following. So what is the transformation you help your achieve your clients? The examples are given, and you, if you are in this industry for a long time, you already know. So what is the time frame for this transformation? How much time your program is? Let's say 12 weeks. If you have 6 months, you can choose 6 months. If you are just 8 weeks, you can choose 8 weeks. Now, what are the components? 3 core components, the pillars of your system. Now, these are the things that you have inside your offers. For example, I have 5 to 6, like offer creation, that email thing, then content thing, that maybe it may be appointment setting for someone. It may be uh, structuring your offer or scalability, whatever it may be inside your program. You have all those components. You have to name just most important 3. If you go through the offer genesis workshop or the supporting doc, you will know how to extract the components if you don't have, or if you have the components, how to name them, how to present it in the Google Doc offer. You will come to know that. So name your 3 components. Like I named this for my content creation offer. This is, by the way, this is an example. I won't help content creators monetize their audience. I help coaches monetize their audience or their expertise. So these are my 3 components: the product creation framework, the launch system, and the evergreen sales index. If you see my Google Doc offer, the client creators Google Doc offer, you will come to know that there are proprietary offer. Number 1 is proprietary offer. Number 2 is predictable leads. And third is profitable revenue, or profitable leads and predictable revenue. These are my 3 components which I do. Then it asks you the 3 transformation phases. Phases are the way or a path you take your clients to. Phase 1, you do this. In phase 2, you will do this or give your clients this thing. And phase 3, what will happen? These are the things the Google Doc offer needs to write, which makes it easier for the reader or the prospect to have a clear path. This is the path, right? So product build phase 1, pre-launch phase 2, and launch and scale phase 3. What is the name of your offer? Creator Income Accelerator. All right. What does someone get inside your program? Now, these are the deliverables. Maybe you have an on coaching. Maybe you do something done for you. Maybe you support them with the weekly calls, or you have a chat support, whatever it is. right? Number of calls per week, types of support, one-on-one chat, Boxer, Telegram, template scripts, frameworks, whatever you provide, reviews like content, offer a funnel reviews, any bonuses, libraries or workshops, anything you can put. So I have a list of the deliverables I want to give. You just paste it and it integrates inside your Google Doc offer. What is the investment of your offer? Let's say I charge $100 per week, or you can say pay in full. It's a 12-week program. Let's say pay in full is $1,000 for 12 weeks. So they save $200. Whatever you are pricing it, it doesn't have to be weekly or it doesn't have to be monthly. Whatever it's lump sum, you can put lump sum for 12 weeks or 6 months. Which guarantee do you want to use? Now, I don't give guarantees for the offers, but if you wish to, you can choose the option C and you can write down whatever guarantee you want to give. I'll choose option A, no guarantees, big promises and refunds. So I choose A. Got it. How does someone join your offer? So below the Google Doc offer, you have maybe a link to directly pay you, or maybe they can reach out to you with the email so you can onboard them. Maybe they can DM me, whatever it may be. Like I'll choose option 1, email enrollment, because I send my offers to emails, and email is the best way for me to have conversations with the buyers and the perfect. One last thing, what email address should I give? So just give whatever email you want to give, help at the content scale.com. This is an example. You can write your email address. Okay. So it's the summary. Niche content creators who want to monetize their audience, transformation, launch and sell a $500 to $2K digital product, time frame 12 weeks, component, the product creation framework. So these, whatever answers you have given, it gives a summary, and you just entered yes, and it prints you a Google Doc offer. So ready to copy and paste inside the Google Doc. Yeah. So it's printing the Google Doc offer. My internet connection is very low, so that's why, but it prints your offer. So what you do is create a new Google Doc, or you can edit over here as well if you want to edit. Just read it through. So this is your Google Doc offer ready to serve. Okay, you can download it over here. It downloads in PDF, Microsoft Word or Markdown. I just copy and create a new Google Doc. So I do this. If you want to edit, you can edit over here, right? If you want any changes, you can just ask to change it over here. So you get an proper way and a proper system to edit your offer according with the GPT, or you can edit yourself, right? I'll just copy this and just paste it over here. Yeah, this is your offer. You just have to like make it proper. I'll just make it lower. Okay, you edit it later. I'll just read it out loud. Okay. The Creator Income Accelerator, that's our program name that we are given. Our goal is to help you launch and sell a $500 to $2K digital product without needing a massive following. Over the next 12 weeks, we'll help you turn your existing audience into consistent product sales with a simple, repeatable system that doesn't rely on virality, ads, or endless content creation. Note, this is the thing we don't give them. It generates on its own relevant to your offer. And notice the one thing, it is not talking to the beginner people, it is talking to the people who have existing audience, right? So that's the base part. That's how you talk to eagles, not the pigeons. These are the components. Number 1, product creation framework. When your product is clear and positioned correctly, selling stops feeling awkward. You stop second guessing what to build and start feeling confident sharing it. You lock in a product that solves one specific problem your audience already want fixed. something people are happy to pay $500 to 2K for. We map the product structure, outcome, and pricing together, then run it to a clean, simple digital asset you can sell immediately. Then second is the launch system. Most launches fail because there is no plan, just hope and posting. That's when momentum dies fast. We install a launch system that tells you exactly what to say, when to say it, and how to move people to interest to purchase. You'll follow proven pre-launch and launch rhythm using messaging, content angles, and sales pages designed to convert warm audiences. Three, evergreen sales engine. Selling once is exciting. Selling consistently is freedom. This engine turns your launch into something that keeps working after the hype dies down. We set up simple evergreen systems so your product continues selling weekly without you needing to relaunch every month. Super clear. Something that you don't do, if you want to change, you can change it over here. But it gives you an entire thing. And if you have watched the offer genesis or the validation workshop regarding this offer creation, you will come to know why we are talking like this. Like, you get this, you get that, you'll follow proven pre-launch, because this is how we talk inside Google Doc. The people or the prospects reading this does not feel like if they join you, you have to do hundreds of things like create content, comment, follow 100 people, DM 100 people. We talk in a way that they get something from us. Okay. So the effort level decreases when reading our Google Doc offers. Then the timeline. Phase one, product build. We will weeks 1 to 4. We design your digital product from the ground up, offer outcome structure and pricing. You'll know exactly what you're selling and why people want it. By the end of phase one, you'll have a fully designed 100K product ready to sell. So this is the phase one. Phase two, pre-launch. We prepare your audience to buy. Messaging, positioning, content angles, and sales pages all come together. By end of phase two, you will have a warm demand and people waiting for new launch. Phase 3, launch and scale. We launch the product, review what converts and refine from scale. Then we turn it into an evergreen system. By the end of phase 3, you have a product that can sell every week without constant launches. So these are the phases. Now, immediately the prospect knows what we are going through and what they will get. In week 1 and 4, we will work on this. In week 5 to 8, we will work on this. In week 6, 9 to 12, you work on this. If you want to change this, you can change it according to you, or tell the GPT what needs to change, right? What you get, you understand that you get like the deliverables we have listed over here, all are me, right? One-on-one product design call, where you define, like we given only this, but it writes everything after that because it, attracts the eagles. One-on-one product design call, where we define your product idea, outcome, and pricing together. Proven digital product template, so you don't start from scratch. Weekly launch strategy sessions to review progress, messaging, and conversations. Hands-on sales page copywriting support, so your offer is clear and compelling. WhatsApp direct support for fast feedback and quick decisions. Done for you. Tech stack setup, so payments, delivery, and automation are handled cleanly. Look, like we just give what we have, and it writes entirely. So when the prospect reads it, it clearly gets what is this for, what is that for. So we are not like listing our features, we are explaining the benefits, why they need it, right? So investment, joining client creators income accelerator is designed to pay for itself quickly. One solid product sale can cover your entire investment. Investment is 100K, $100 per week for 12 weeks. That's about $100 per week to build a product that can generate income other way. Payments option, you can choose weekly $100 per week, or you can pay in full $1,000. Leave it or love it or leave it. You can cancel anytime, no hard feelings. If it's not working for you, just let me know and you are happy. Guarantees and promises. No guarantees, big promises or refunds. Your results depends on your consistency and commitment. I'll show you exactly what I do if I were you. That's the only ethical promise I can make. So in a nutshell, we build your digital product income by helping you create a clear, sellable digital product, launch it with confidence using the proven system, turn it into an evergreen sales engine. You'll get full support for 12 weeks, including everything listed in what you get above. How to join? If you're ready, email the email ID with the words I'm in. I'll reply with the next steps. You get started immediately. Okay, remove this. So you just have to make sure you format it, change whatever you want, whatever aligns with you. This is how the Offy prints its offer in less than 15 minutes for you, right? So this is it. We created a offer for helping content creators who want to monetize their audience. It works in any niche. It may be mindset niche, fitness niche, any niche. Doesn't matter if you are in a business niche or not, it works in every niche. So this is the office system that you have inside our school community as well for the client creators. If you are not client creators, if you purchase the offer genesis workshop or the offer genesis stack, you will get this. You can craft your core offer, one-on-one offer, done for you offer, anything with this offer. Just a demo of Be My Offer Coach. So if you have gone through Offer Genesis or not, you can ask him anything about your offer. Okay. You can sharpen your phases, components, or checkpoints if you are unclear with that. Just tell him these are my phases. I'm unsure about these components. Just tell me. You can upload your past Google Doc offers or the any information about your offer and tell him he can take care of everything. You want help with naming your offer, it can help you. If you want to fix any component or if you want to fix why your offer is not converting, it will answer you. But it's based on the client created philosophy, the offer genesis philosophy. That's why if you ask any question regarding the offer creation, Google Doc offer creation, or sharpening your offers, pricing strategy, naming, whatever it may be, it will answer for you. Right? So if you ask, if you ask what are the what do you what okay what do you mean by components in the Google Doc offer? Okay, components are the three big pillars of your solutions. They explain how you promise how your promise actually happens without turning your offer into a course syllabus. Right? Think of component the three things that must be installed for the result to be inevitable. Right? So why components matter, what components are not, what components are, everything will be answered to you relevant to creating your Google Doc offer. All right. So this is the quite simple demo. I hope you get that.